Dear students, Mangal Mehta. Today we will study about the statistics. Statistics is studied in two senses. One in plural sense and the second one is in singular sense. We also say it as the plural noun or singular noun, plural sense and singular sense. Today we will study about the statistics in plural sense. In plural sense, statistics are the numerical statement of facts in any department of inquiry placed in relation to each other. Means these are the data which are comparable, which must be comparable. Only data is not sufficient. Only the numerical information is not sufficient. It must be in aggregate. It must be placed in relation to each other. Then we can say that it is statistics. Now we are going to study about the characteristics of the statistics. First of all, it is the aggregate of facts. Aggregate of facts means the single number does not constitute statistics. If we say that cow has 4 legs, that is not statistics. It must be in aggregate. It must be in aggregate. If I say that Mohan got 30 marks in economics, it is not in aggregate. In aggregate means the marks of all the students must be collected. That's why we can say that the data, if are not in aggregate, then it is not statistics. The first characteristic is that the data must be in aggregate. Single number does not constitute statistics. Second one, numerically expressed means we can see that if we take the example of wisdom, honesty, like all such things, these are not the numerically expressed things. These are qualitative facts. But to be statistics, these information must be supported by the numerical expressions. Such as numerically expressed, then those are called the statistics, those information. Numerically expressed. The third thing is mutually related and comparable. Means until or unless the data are comparable, till then they are not called statistics. To be statistics, they must be related and comparable in nature. Fourth one, the multiplicity of causes. Multiplicity of causes means if we take the example of suppose rise in price. Rise in price is not affected by only a single factor. There may be more demand, increase in demand, shortage of supply, rise in wages of the laborers, etc. All these are the things which can cause the rise in the price of a commodity. That's why we can say that not a single fact but a multiplicity of causes are there that affect the statistics. These are the multiplicity of causes. Predetermined objective. Predetermined objective means the objective must be mentioned. Means without any objective. If we are collecting the data without any objective, then they are not called statistics. To be statistics, they must be collected with some aim. Otherwise, they will be only the data value. Enumerated or estimated means they can be counted in numbers. They can be collected each and every item. But sometimes we have to collect the statistics in the form of samples. Then it is estimated. We estimate for that. That's why we can say that the enumerated or estimated both are included in the statistics. Now, last one is the collected in a systematic manner. Collected in a systematic manner means without any manner. Means if we are taking the data haphazardly, then it is difficult to draw any conclusion from those data. That's why they must be collected in some systematic manner. Then only we can say that these are statistics. Thank you.